This is question number 1 from practice 6-2B. This is what you'll see written on your paper. And I'm solving this with substitution, which remember the first step to doing any problem with substitution is to make sure that you have one of the variables isolated, one of the variables by itself. In this problem, I happen to have two. I happen to have the y equals here and the y equals here. Really only need one, but it's okay to have two. So I'm going to take what y is equal to, which is this x minus 2, and I'm going to put it in place of y down here, okay? Because remember, what this is saying is that y is equivalent to x minus 2, that they're really the same thing. And so if they're the same thing, they're sort of interchangeable. So instead of y, I can put this x minus 2 in its place. And that's going to look like this. X minus 2 equals 4x plus 1. So what I really did there was rewrite this bottom equation, but with x minus 2 in over here. And then I just need to solve. So from here I would minus x and minus x. So I'm going to have negative 2 equals 3x plus 1. And then since my x's are over here, I need to get my numbers over here. So I'm going to minus 1, minus 1. I get negative 3 equals 3x. And then I need to get that the x by itself, so to get rid of the 3, I'm going to divide. And I'm left with negative 1 equals x. So that's the first step, okay, is to get my x value. Now I need to find what y is. So I'm going to use this x value and plug it in to find what y is equal to. And I can plug it into either one of my equations. Remember, it's easiest to plug it into an equation that says y equals blah, blah, blah. Because if you're trying to find what y equals, you want an equation that's going to tell you what y equals. So this one, it happens that both of them are set up for y equals, so it doesn't really matter. But I'm going to plug back into this one here. Okay, so that's now going to say y equals negative 1 minus 2. Which negative 1 minus 2 is really negative 3. And so then my final coordinate for my answer would be my x value and my y value written together. So it would be negative 1 comma negative 3. Final answer.